Good morning. Take a look at this real quick. We have this wick here at the 6:46 a.m. Eastern Time, November 8th, 2024. It's a Friday. And that wick is the lowest in the swing low, and I'm annotating the halfway point right there, which is consequent encroachment, because it's not order block, it's a wick, and wicks are gaps. Okay, so that annotation right there is directly correlated to the close of that candle and the low of the candle, and the halfway point right there, consequent encroachment. That's what the 21,157.50 level is. The other candlestick wick is this one, and it's consequent encroachment, the low, and the open of that candle, half of that. Now, why am I referring to that one? Because it is the candle prior to this one, the lowest in the swing low, and it has the lower or more larger wick comparably to this one. So when we look at that, you can see my PD array, which is a gray pool. Okay, so it's how you can use the wicks properly. This is what the algorithm is going to do. So now watch what happens when we take these two reference points here. We can now add the fib, and remember the 21,158.25 level and 157.50. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to anchor right on top of those levels. Like that. And there's quadrants laid on there. Okay, so you can see the upper quadrant is 0.75, midpoint, consequent encroachment, and 0.25, lower quadrant. The low of that gray pool is that consequent encroachment. The high of the gray pool is the consequent encroachment of that wick. Okay, so now when we have this information, we have a normal volume imbalance, which is shaded in green, and we move over to this level. We can see how it traded to it there. Here, went higher, but then it went to our target, or my target, the draw on liquidity, and then the market does this, trades down and hits the upper quadrant right there of my ICT Grey Pool PD array. And then how does it react off of that? Just breaching the volume imbalance there. See that? And how does the market behave? It vaults higher and runs the buy side, created right there with relative equal highs. The more you know.